I'm Farm to Table Chef Tekka Thompson, and today I'm talking about how to read your cooking thermometer. So the first thing I learned in culinary school is how to calibrate my cooking thermometer to make sure that we know what it is at, so it's reading the proper temperature. So here I have very iced down water, and we know that freezing is 32 degrees. So by sticking it in iced water, I can tell if it's properly calibrated, and if it's not, I can reset it. So we'll just stick it in. Most of them will read the temperatures between, in about 10 seconds. Okay, and then once I have it at 32 degrees, I know, great. My thermometer is ready to go and it's calibrated. So the great thing about modern day thermometers is that, first of all, there's a wide range of them. There's digital, there's handheld, there's ones for caramel and candy, but most of them are very self-explanatory, and not only that, they come with suggestions for temperatures of cooking whatever you're going to be cooking on the side or on the face of them. So you want to make sure to always cook whatever you're cooking to the USDA regulations, and to always make sure to thoroughly wash and store your thermometer after you're done with it. And that is how you read your cooking thermometer. I'm Tekka Thompson. Thank you for watching.